Hello and welcome to the FOMC Minutes preview video. So just going to take a look at the main points that markets are looking for at this minutes release. So firstly, the main focus will be any sort of indication of a time frame or a size of future withdrawal of stimulus. Now this comes after Bernanke said at the last meeting, that was on June the 18th to 19th, that if economic forecasts do come in as expected, they see tapering towards the end of this year and an end to asset buys by the middle of next year. Now in terms of economic indicators, the last minutes did show that quite a few FOMC members were concerned that economic indicators were not pointing to the recovery that the FOMC had hoped for. The last reading of GDP, that was the tertiary reading, actually showed a revision lower to 1.8 from 2.4, and also unemployment still remains elevated at 7.6%, so could support arguments of the more dovish natures of the FOMC. But minutes are expected to reiterate Bernanke's somewhat hawkish commentary from last month. However, worth of note, FOMC and Fed speakers since then have tried to downplay the market reaction to Bernanke and the FOMC hawkish meeting last month. So again, any sort of indication of slightly more dovish nature could really drive markets this evening. It is also worth noting as a little caveat, we do have Bernanke speaking 2 hours after the minutes release, so market participants could be a bit tentative and wary of holding positions into Bernanke later on. But that's the main point, so looking for any exact time frame of future tapering and withdrawal of stimulus and any sort of size, so whether that would be in chunks as like 10 billion for example, or whether that would be more than that, and also whether it would be focused on treasury purchases or focused on MBS purchases. Also expected to reiterate that hawkish stance from Bernanke. But that's the main points, so that's at 7 o'clock London time, so that's 1 o'clock in the afternoon in Chicago, and then Bernanke 2 hours later. But good luck with the FOMC minutes and thanks for watching.